Hi friends, this is TKD. I am having 15 years of computer programming experience, and today as a part of our Python machine learning channel, we are going to learn about how to cast several types of data from one type to another. So today our topic of discussion is casting integers and floating point. So we will start with a clean notebook. Click on new, Python 3. So step 1, start with a clean notebook. We are done with our step 1. Now, step 2 is what does it in step 2? Once you have a clean notebook, we will navigate to the drop down below. Which you can see, like we'll select Markdown. We will type converting int to float into the first cell, and then we will type the run. So if you can see, it, a new cell will appear below the text. The text in the Jupyter Notebook is something called as Markdown language. So it's very much similar to HTML. Now, when the next cell appears, just write this below, just write this code here. I equals 10 float. I hit the execute button. Here is what you did. You set I to 10, and the I in our example is a variable. You use the float method on the I variable. The output was 10.0, which is a floating number. Important points. Markdown allows you to document your notebooks. A function takes parameters and returns a value. A method is a specific type of function. Step 4. So when you executed the cell above after hitting the execute button, another one appeared. If you can see here, another one appeared. So now we will create Now let's create some more documentation or some other markdown. Now we'll type converting float to int and choose markdown in the drop down and hit the execute button or the run button. So step 5, type this code below into the next cell and hit the execute button. F is equals to 14.66 and int of F. Now click the run button. So here is what you did. You created a variable called F. You set the variable called F to a floating point number 14.66. Now, after that, you converted F to an integer with this function called int. It is to be noted, Python does not round up when using this function. It took everything prior to the decimal point and removed it. Congratulations, you have converted int to float and float to int. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get the more updates and keep rocking.